My dear children, this is the fourth module of the same chapter, that is Python Introduction. So far we discussed about the features and the installation process of Python. In this module we are going to discuss with how to work with Python interactive mode. My dear children, after Python installation we can start working with Python. In Python we can work in two ways. Python workings are in interactive mode or the immediate result mode or in the script mode. Working with the default CPython distribution. The default installation of CPython comes with the Python interpreter. The Python IDLE, that is Integrated Development Linked and Embedded, and pip, that is Package Installer. To work in either interactive mode or script, we need to open Python IDLE. My dear children, please note this. To work with Python either in the script mode or in the interactive mode, we need to open Python IDLE. To work in interactive mode, the following process given below. You should have to follow the process. Click on the start button of your Windows, all programs, then the new version is Python 3.7. Click on the IDLE icon from the menu. After clicking that, you will get a screen like this. This screen is called the platform for working Python instructions. To get this, we need to go for the start button. Click the start button. Click on all programs. Then search for the Python 3.7 version. Then within that, double click it. You will get IDLE, that is Python GUI. After clicking that, you will get a screen like this. You can also try yourself within the tablet or in the laptop or in the desktop. Working in interactive mode is very easy. The interactive mode, that is one command at a time. We can give one instruction at a time. The Python execute the given command and gives the output. So if we type one command and press enter to execute, so it will give the output for the entered instruction. In interactive mode, we type the command in IDLE prompt. That is this prompt. Here we are having 3 arrow marks, right? 3 less than symbols. That is called a Python IDLE prompt. IDLE prompt. For example, if you type 20 plus 30, that is the command given by the user, and press enter, you will get 50 on the next line. That is the given output of Python interpreter. From the example, you can see that we have to just give the instruction to execute and Python execute it if it is error free. Otherwise, it gives an error. My dear children, please try all these things. First, you need to give print hello. My dear children, before the quotation mark, you need to put an open parenthesis, and after the quotation mark, you need to put closing parenthesis. Then only you will get the correct output. Otherwise, you will get error. Then press enter, you will get the message as hello world. Then try one by one. Look at this. Here you are assigning 34A, 44B, and C value is just like the addition of a value plus b value. Whatever the value you given for a and b will be added and will be stored in C. So while you print C, you will get 70. So whenever we are giving print statement, it will produce output. Otherwise, you won't get any output. To get any output, you need to produce print statement. Don't forget about, you need to give print statement. That is the first instruction you are studying in Python, that is print. Look at the last command, print hello within bracket. Like this also you need to put brackets in the hello world. That is, you need to put bracket in either side of the string. I think you can try this with your computer or a laptop or using a tablet. You can also try this the same with your Android phone, because Python is also downloaded and installed in the Android phone. Just try it out. I think you can do this if you are having a computer, laptop or a tablet or any Android phones. My dear children, please try the commands, otherwise you won't get any idea. Thank you.